Yancy Andrea is going to lay on her back. Okay? And then what she's going to do, she's going to have to spot her belly. Now, your belly is going to be the ocean. And your spot is going to be your boat. And when all of a sudden a big wave comes in, your job is to push your belly out and make the boat rise. So here comes the big wave. Breathe in. Make your belly rise. Nice. Now when you breathe out, all of a sudden the waves are going down. So now the boat goes lower. Pull your belly in and breathe out. Oh, here comes a big wave. All of a sudden, make your belly really, really big. I like the way that you're following my directions with the spot in your belly. Good job. And now the waves are getting smaller. And breathe all that air out and pull your belly in. Nice. Let's do one more. Let's try and take the biggest breath that you can. Breathe in, make your belly big. Stick your belly out, stick your belly out. And now breathe out, pull your belly in. And good job.